Okay, so this is one of the example of using mesh analysis for AC circuit. So the first step is actually to draw your mesh current I1. So this is mesh current I2. Okay, and from here you can see that for mesh current I2, we have current source here. So definitely you can write down directly that mesh current I for I2 is okay from the circuit I2 is actually equal to the direction of the current source is same for the I2, so just a positive 2 angle 0 ampere. Okay, and then we proceed with the KVL at mesh current number 1. Okay, so we have negative 10 angle 0 plus 3 plus J4 I1 plus, and then we have resistor 1 ohm, but we have two different current, which is current mesh, which is I1 and I2. So, but since we are considering the mesh current 1, so the equation should be write down like I1 minus I2 equal to 0. Okay, then you can actually write down plus J for I1 plus I1, and we already know I2, so it should be this one 10, and negative I2 should be this one positive 2. Okay, positive 2 0. So this one, after you have calculate this one, you return this, you will have this one become 4 plus J 4 I1, and then this one should be, because the angle is 0 0 same, so this one should be simply just a 12 angle 0, so I1 should be 12 0 angle 4 plus J4. Okay, and then by using calculator, so you should have, please make sure that you click the mode, complex mode, so and then just put into here, the angle is 0 over 4 plus 4 shift 1. Okay, and then just shift to polar, so you will have your I1 is equal to 2.12 with an angle of shift for negative 45 degrees. Okay, so I1 is 2.12 and I2 is actually 20 ampere. Okay, and if the questions, so after you have calculated the mesh current, so maybe the question is actually calculate what is the value of I naught here. So the value of I naught, so you can write down the equation. I naught is actually equal to I1 minus I2. So simply that, like down, so I1 is 2.12 with an angle of negative 45 degrees minus 2 angle 0. Okay, so you will have the answer using your calculator. Or maybe the questions requires you to find what is the value of the voltage, for example. What is the voltage? For example, like this. This is Vx. Okay, so you can write down your equation. So Vx is equal to, since the current I2, okay, is entering the negative terminal, so just put negative, okay, I2 multiply with 2 ohm. So you will have that negative, and I2 is 2 0 degrees multiplied with 2. So your Vx is negative 4 volts. Okay. Or maybe the polarity is changed, for example. It's not like this. Maybe the polarity is like this. So calculate what is Vx. So just simply you look at the Vx, and then the direction of the current is entering the positive terminal. So just put positive, and the current is I2, which is you have calculated to 0 degrees, and the resistor values. So you will have positive 4 volt. So actually the polarity is actually depends on the question definition. Okay, so don't be confused and so on. So just for, okay, so just ignore first the polarity here. So you just, what you need to do is actually to do the mesh current analysis, got the value of the I1 and I2, and then after that, then you can go to solve the specific question. For example, calculate what is your Vx, for example, with this polarity. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.